I'm Eric Vickery. My wife and I belong to this church, have been here for 20 plus years. With the project being behind us now, I could confidently recommend Red Dogs as a vendor of choice to go with. Quality, speed, the team, the support, the cleanup, and fair pricing. Those are all components that are important. That's not something you're going to find with just any roofing company. A testament to why we made a good decision to go with Red Dogs. This church has a long history in the town. Pretty much every picture that you've seen of Lunenburg has the town hall across the street and this one, with a variety of reminders that it's been here for a long time. There was a cable car that used to go across the front here, and it's been here for well over 125 years. It's pretty heartwarming to think back on the number of people that have been affected and have had their lives changed as a result of the value that this church brings together. Some of the telltale signs of knowing that we had to do something, and we've noticed the seepage in the ceiling, but there was a lot of concern. The folks in the choir were watching the one particularly right over the piano, and last thing we want is to have some of that plaster loosen up and come down. There was a significant number of spaces where the nails coming through were only hitting tar paper and not being seated in anything else. I was shocked when we took the roof off here. There was 40% of the space in the roof up above with light gaps coming through it. Yeah, the first person I spoke with was Mike, and he was our project consultant. He came out and spent a lot of time with me here. We went up into the ceiling and did measurements and took pictures, and he followed through very quickly for us with the depth of the proposal that we were looking for. It was pretty seamless, it was timely, and it was financially sound for where we needed to go. Project managers. We had two, Cody and Colt. They were here to manage the team. They were here early and made sure that the guys were well taken care of, keeping an eye on safety for everybody. Cleanup and the follow-up, there was a lot of stuff, and it was cleaned up efficiently. The little rollers with the magnetic elements for picking up all the nails, that kind of thing. There's a saying that our Boy Scout troop uses whenever we go on a camp out. It says, "Leave no trace." That came to mind as you guys were driving off. It was like, wow, you did a really quality job here. There was no trace of it. Mike came out on site and followed up, did the walkthrough for making sure that everything was taken care of. That's not something you're going to find with just any roofing company. It's a combination of the entire team, a quality job done on time and on budget. You can't ask for a whole lot more than that, but we got a little bit more than that with the follow-up as well. I would happily recommend Red Dogs to anybody that was asking, or even if they didn't.